For us, industry and government are equal partners in making Punjab the growth engine of the country. These aspects of partnership, delivery and growth also actively define the theme of this year's summit. Ladies and gentlemen, I will talk of a partnership between government and industry, where both are equal partners. The industry not only sits alongside the government for consultation, but where it has a decisive role and voice in the way decisions are taken and implemented. It is reflected in the way our industrial policy was formulated in 2017, where the final draft of the policy was vetted by the industry before it got approved by the cabinet and notified by the government. The industry's representative on various committees have a right to vote, a right to dissent, a right to decision. It is this partnership that has served us well in the last 5 years, where states have been able to take meaningful strides towards industrialization and rapid growth of industry in the state. The world has been seen deeply turbulent times recently. The times were indeed challenging for the one and all, but I am very pleased to share that it has rendered this partnership even stronger. On the day of the announcement of the national lockdown, on 23rd March 2020, Punjab was manufacturing zero PPE kits, and within 60 days, Punjab had around 54 manufacturing of PPE kits. This was no mean task. The product was new, the technology was new, raw material supplies and transportation were distributed across the country. Licenses and certifications were required from lab situation about 3,000 kilometers away of Tamil Nadu. All this was made possible due to the great spirit of industry and support of the government, truly reflective of the great partnership. I thank the industry for raising the occasion and delivering when it mattered the most. I am pleased to share that the industry of Punjab has adopted the national trend and has rather gone for new investments and expansions even during COVID times. The state has attracted investment from Italy, France, UAE, Denmark, and USA in the last 1.5 years. It is testament to the strong fundamentals of the state. I am very happy to share that Punjab is amongst the top 10 states in India in attracting foreign direct investments. I am proud to share that the state of Punjab has attracted an investment of over 1 lakh crore in the last 4.5 years. And this is not the figure of revenues entered in the state. This is actual investment that has shown in the state in various sectors. All this has been possible due to the trusted placed by the global and Indian investors in Punjab. I am very happy to share many of the homegrown industries has shown repeated faith in Punjab and are expanding rapidly in the state. Mr. Rajinder Gupta has announced to invest in the state today. Similarly, groups as Ardman, International Tractors, Oswal have also invested in the state in last few years. The Indian corporates have also chosen to expand their footprints in the state. I must also acknowledge with a sense of pride that the state has received investment from over 12 countries in the last 5 years. Such investments have flown from various continents and countries like Japan, USA, Germany, UK, UAE, South Korea, and many others. As you all know, what we Punjabis are global citizens. We are present in every part of the globe. I am happy to see that Punjab is reversing that trend in the same way. From becoming global citizens, the state has now become a hub for global companies to invest and run the operations. It is my earnest dream to ensure that the global footprints keep on increasing and we continue to attract more global investments from all across the world. We inspire the further improvement over rank from top 10 to becoming top 5 states in the country in terms of attracting FDIs. Punjab's industry has come of age and has become global competitive now. We house the world's single largest integrated tractor manufacturing unit under one roof. International Tractors Limited, it has collaborated with Yanmar India. I am very pleased to have Mr. Kaju Nuri, MD Yanmar India, among the speakers today. We host one of the India's largest petroleum refinery in private sector, HMEL. It gives me great satisfaction to note that in spite of COVID pandemic, the work on the $3 billion expansion project did not halt for a single day. The recent expansion project is proceeding as per schedule. Mittal Saab, your project is like a dream come true for Punjab. You are a true gem in the industrial crown of the Punjab. Mittal Saab, I want to request you that if there is any issue relating to your company, your group with the Punjab government, I request you to send your officers to contact me and we will settle each and every issue if there is any. We have ITC, biggest food processing unit of North India. Mr. Sanjeev Puri has been an angel for the farmers and people of the Punjab. Food processing remains our core focus, Sanjeev ji. I thank you for reposing faith in Punjab. We would like to see your footprint grow even further. We also host the second largest forging and manufacturing unit in India, Happy Forging. It also supplies to industry leaders like Ashok Leyland of Hinduja Group. Prakash ji has been a long time friend of Punjab. Prakash ji, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਅੱਜ ਬੜੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਬੋਲੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਕਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਲੇਲੈਂਡ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਕਮਾਇਆ ਬੜੀ ਸੈਰ ਕਰਾਈ आज अगर पंजाबी वर्ल्ड वाइड ट्रांसपोर्टर है तो वो टाटा, महिंद्रा और लेलैंड के कारण है। तो आज पूरे वर्ल्ड में पंजाबियों का ट्रांसपोर्ट में नाम है। तो आई थैंक यू वेरी मच। आज आप यहाँ आए और पंजाबी भी सुनाई अपनी और प्यार जो आपने दिखाया पंजाबियों के प्रति, आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू। We also host the second largest Sun Pharmaceutical Limited has made Punjab proud by producing medicines for the industry and world. Dilip ji has always been kind to share his experiences of Punjab with investors. He is trusted and true brand ambassador of Punjab. Thank you, Dilip ji. Trident Group is a major supplier of products of Walmart. Their commitment to quality is world class. I thank my friend Mr. Gupta in reposing faith in Punjab and committing further investment in the state. Gupta ji, we are proud of you. Even Punjabis are proud of you. Punjab-based Hero Cycle have truly emerged heroes of global cycle industry. They are now suppliers of bicycles for UK Prime Minister's second billion proud program called Cycling and Walking Drive. जब हम छोटे थे तो हीरो साइकिल ही होता था। हीरो साइकिल लेकर हम अपने आप को ये समझते थे यार हीरो पे सैर कर रहे हैं। तो हीरो ने पंजाब को बहुत कुछ दिया है। मैं हीरो वालों का धन्यवाद करता हूँ। I am pleased to note that Mr. Sanjeev Mehta has also joined us today. All this would not have been possible without the great Punjabi spirit and conducive ecosystem in the state. Punjab offers competitive factors of production and keep your operating costs low. We have ample availability of skilled manpower with no restrictions on domicile. We offer unparalleled connectivity by all modes of transport, rail, road, and air. We have been ranked second in India on ease of logistic index. We are one of the few states that is connected to both rails, are among the least in the country, and quality of product is very good. State has developed a land bank of 6,000 acres with plug and play facilities. We have created an efficient skill development ecosystem with an effective role of the industry. Punjab Skill Development Mission has revamped itself to cater the skills on industry. The state has been also created enabling environment for institutions of excellence. Almost all institutes of the national importance such as IIT, IIM, IASB, AIIMS, etc. are present in the state. The state is open to bringing the latest and the best in the country. We have rolled out red carpet for top-ranking institutes such as Laksha, Amithe in the state. Dr. Atul Chauhan, Vice Chancellor, Amithe University, has been able to deliver his project in the record time. Atul ji, I assure you that you will fall in love with the Punjab when you operationalize your project. To offer cutting-edge research and technologies in the state, we have collaborated with the best in the world and set up several centers of excellence in collaboration with foreign countries. I have the honor of virtually hosting His Excellency Mr. Suzuki today. We would like to develop a hub of Japanese companies in Punjab. Excellency, I thank you for Japanese continuous engagement with Punjab. Punjab has taken several path-breaking reforms. The entire reform process has been carried out as per demands of the industry. One of the industry's key demands was to put an end to Inspector Raj. We listened to you and have taken discretions away from the officers and implemented the center inspection system. It allows random selection of units and officers' computers for inspection. We have a law which has fixed timelines for grant of clearance. However, we have gone to a step further and allowed for granting demand clearances. Unlike other states, we do not refer the matter of granting deemed clearance to any senior officer or committee. It is granted automatically by the computer system if the stipulated time for giving clearance is over. We place great trust in our industry. Hence, enacted the Punjab Rights to Business Act 2020. Any new MSME can set up business in the state simply on the basis of self-certification. The unit is not subjected to regular inspection for 3 years. Based on the industry feedback, we have created our own state groundwater authority. Now industry does not need to go to the central body, which used to take lot of time and energy. We have seen that many states have tried to reduce compliance burden. However, on the one hand, states were reducing the burden, and on the other hand, departments or agencies were adding new compliances on their own, defeating the purpose of reforms. Well, Punjab has sorted this completely. We have frozen the number of NOCs required for granting clearance and approvals for with different services. No department or government agency can add to this list of NOCs without bringing it to the Council of Ministers and strict scrutiny by all. Punjab Anti-Red Tape Act 2021 is a path-breaking reform, the first and one of its kind in India. The law mandates all departments to reduce the compliance burden of business and business service by a minimum 50%. All the services have to be provided through online portal. We are committed to providing our industries an environment where they can conduct business freely without any fear. We have curtailed the powers of inspectors to launch criminal proceedings against industrial units. Before starting any criminal action, the matter has to be sent to the multi-member committee of secretaries. The committee checks if the violation is serious enough to warrant criminal action or is a genuine mistake. We understand the multiple touch prints in the state are a big hurdle for investors. The Invest Punjab Business First portal provides more than 156 clearances in a faceless manner. Invest Punjab, our one-stop office, has been given all powers to grant clearance of different departments from this single office. The investors need not to go to any office or agency for clearance. I am thankful to Mr. Deepak Bagla and his team for helping us and guiding us to improve our system. I am happy to share that our Invest Punjab has been rated the top performer agency in the country. We have further extended the concept and have set up district bureaus to facilitate investors at the district level. I am greatly thankful to Anurag Jain for joining us today. We work with Government of India on various issues. We seek their support in helping us to undertake more reforms. We have done a fair amount of groundwork. It has borne good results. Punjab has attained top ranking in many fields. Education, rank 1. Safety and legal environment, rank 1. Human capital, rank 4 in Niti Aayog. Health, rank 5 in Health Index. I sincerely believe that learning and improving is a continuous work. Moreover, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. We may have done many things, but were they good enough to attract you? When I see the confidence and trust imposed by the business leaders and visionaries like you, it gives me strength to work harder. We are privileged to have Shri N.K. Mittal ji, Shri Kumar Mangalam ji, Birla, Shri Anand Mahindra ji. Mahindra ji, we are very proud of you. Your warrior is just in my constituency in खरड़, हमारे पंजाबी महिंद्रा के ट्रैक्टर पर बैठकर बहुत खुश होते हैं। तो ये पंजाब के एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट को आपने जो देन दी है, जिस तरीके से आपने यहाँ यूनिट लगाए हैं, मैं उसके लिए आपका धन्यवाद देता हूँ आपको। एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू। श्री हर्षपति सिंघानिया जी, you are with us today. It is our honor that you have chosen Punjab for your recent investments. Our government will work alongside your teams to ensure rollout of your commercial operations in a record time. Not only you, but even your site team, which is implementing your project, is welcome to come and meet me anytime without prior appointment. Mr. Rajat Agarwal, CEO, Investment Punjab, will coordinate with your team when required. Friends, I have come from a very humble background. I have gone through the grill of day-to-day challenges faced by a common man. I have first-hand knowledge of their problems. I have seen that aspiring young generation of Punjab which wants to do something big. I am committed to fulfill their dreams, and I cannot do this without you. Without your support, you are the wealth creator in the society. You are the source of opportunities that the youth of Punjab want. You have the capital, you have the risk-taking capacity, and you have the business ideas. I have the will, I have the intent, and I have the commitment. I give my commitment to you all today that our government will work with you at every step to see that nothing from the government hinders your speed or create hurdle in your business plans. I have zero tolerance for corruption, political or bureaucratic, zero tolerance for delays, zero tolerance for negative attitude, zero tolerance for entail. I am committed to play a role of a true facilitator. We are facilitator. We want to facilitate you. Come in Punjab. We are waiting for you. I am confident that Punjab will live up to your expectations as the best place to do business in India. My colleague मनप्रीत सिंह बादल बड़े अच्छे शेर बोलते हैं, 2-4 शेर आज भी इन्होंने सुनाए और बहुत अच्छी स्पीच भी की। बेस्ट फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर है हमारे पास। बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट और इंटेलिजेंट और पढ़े लिखे इंसान है। पंजाब के लिए दर्द है, पंजाब के लिए सोच। ये मेरी खुशकिस्मती है कि मेरे पास जो टीम है, जो मेरे साथ मिनिस्टर्स हैं, हालांकि कई मेरे से सीनियर हैं। हमारा इंडस्ट्री मिनिस्टर बहुत बड़ी और अच्छी फैमिली से है और बहुत अच्छी सोच रखते हैं। I have a very good team of officers to facilitate the industrialists, to facilitate the investors. उन्होंने शेर सुनाया एक पंजाब के लिए है, हिंदुजा जी आप भी सुन लें कि चलते फिरते हुए महताब दिखाएंगे तुम्हें, चलते फिरते हुए महताब दिखाएंगे तुम्हें। महिंद्रा जी आप तो पंजाब के हो, हमारा दिल हो, आप में पंजाब का दिल धड़कता है। चलते फिरते हुए महताब दिखाएंगे तुम्हें, हमसे मिलना कभी, पंजाब दिखाएंगे तुम्हें। चांद हर छत पे है, चांद हर छत पे है, सूरज है हर आंगन में। आओ नए नए ख्वाब दिखाएंगे तुम्हें। मैं इन्वेस्टर से कहना चाहता हूं, दुनिया में जो भी पंजाब में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता है या जिसकी सोच है कि मैंने कहीं इन्वेस्ट करना है तो पंजाब में आए। पंजाब बहुत खूबसूरत प्लेस, पंजाब का दिल बड़ा है। हम आपके लिए आपको पंजाब में फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए बैठे हैं, अडल्ट नहीं होंगी यहाँ। अगर किसी को कोई वहम हो तो कोई रुकावट या कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी पंजाब में। पंजाब अपने आप को बिल्ड कर रहा है और बिल्ड करना चाहता है। ऐसी जब तक हम पंजाब ने एग्रीकल्चर आज भी करता है, किया है, तो कभी देश को शिकायत नहीं आई है पंजाब के एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट पे। पंजाब ने हमेशा दिया है और अच्छा दिया, अच्छी एग्रीकल्चर में जिन्स पैदा की। जब इंडस्ट्री में है तो इंडस्ट्री को भी अच्छा देंगे, प्यार देंगे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट को। खुले मन से, खुले दिल से हम आपको इनवाइट करते हैं कि आप आओ पंजाब में। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि पंजाब में ज्यादा से ज्यादा इन्वेस्टर आए, हम उनको फैसिलिटेट करें, उनको एक अच्छा माहौल दें, उनको एक अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट दें, उनको बेस्ट वर्ल्ड क्लास इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दें, आपको खुश रखें। आपकी प्रगति में हमारी प्रगति, हम अपना फ्यूचर आपके फ्यूचर में देख रहे हैं। आप अपने फ्यूचर को पंजाब में लेकर आए, हमारा फ्यूचर उसमें है। महिंद्रा जी, आप और यूनिट लगा रहे हो, वेलकम, थैंक यू। मित्तल साहब, आप अपना एक्सपेंड कर रहे हो, बहुत धन्यवाद। हिंदुजा जी, आप लेलैंड जैसी और अच्छी गाड़ियां बनाए, पंजाब को बड़ा फ्यूचर दिया आपकी लेलैंड गाड़ियों ने। जितने आज आप लोग आए हैं, आपने पंजाब को बहुत कुछ दिया है। वी आर थैंकफुल टू यू। मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं और अपेक्षा करता हूं कि आप इस दिशा में आगे बढ़ेंगे और अपने साथी जो पंजाब में आना चाहते हैं उनको लेकर आएंगे। हम आपको अच्छा माहौल देंगे। कोई आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की सोचें, मेरे ऑफिसर आपके पास आ जाएंगे, एक पूरी टीम, डेडिकेटेड टीम आपके साथ लगा दूंगा। कहीं आपने एनओसी लेने नहीं जाना, कहीं सीएलयू लेने नहीं जाना, कोई आपको टैक्स इंस्पेक्टर नहीं आएगा आपके पास। मेरी टीम आपके दफ्तर में आकर बैठकर सारी क्लियरेंसेस सब कुछ करके देगी। बाद में हम आपको फैसिलिटेट करेंगे हर तरीके से। तो पंजाब एक सुंदर जगह है, पंजाब एक विशाल जगह है, एक सुंदर हृदय है पंजाब के पास, दिल है, और हम आपकी सपोर्ट चाहते हैं और अच्छे इन्वेस्टर्स को इनवाइट करते हैं, आओ, ताकि हम आपके साथ मिलकर आपके फ्यूचर में अपना फ्यूचर देखकर एक अच्छा पंजाब आगे बढ़ा सकें, एक अच्छा पंजाब बिल्ड कर सकें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।